Okay, so I kind of feel bad because I realized that with all of the organizing and everything, I have totally flopped on the makeup portion of my like that's so bad too because but yeah, like with the amount of makeup I have, I should not be flopping. Like I should be filming. But I got so sidetracked with organizing this week. I didn't edit. And it's Saturday. Like there was a skincare video. There just was not a makeup video. But yeah, it's okay. I mean, things happen. Life happens. That's the beauty of this channel. We are like a real life channel. Okay, so I got my period. And at first I'm not gonna lie, like I'm bummed. I mean, I'm not happy about it, obviously. I am bummed, but I told my husband, I was like, we have all of next month. So we're not giving up. Like we've only been trying for like a month. Yeah. I'm bummed. I'm not gonna lie, I am bummed. But at the same time, I can open that bottle of wine that's been chilling in my fridge. Alright, so let's talk about this upcoming week. Ugh, my hair is a mess, and I don't know why. I just washed it. Literally, I just washed it. Okay, so this upcoming week, we're taking a break from organizing this week. Because after I order the fridge organizers, all that's left to tackle is my room. And that scares me. So we are going to not organize this week. In fact, me and my husband are going to spend some quality time together and enjoy each other's company while we can before a baby does come. But yeah, I will be actually filming and uploading and all that good stuff. But this Friday we are doing, what is the video I have that I need to edit? Like, I don't even remember right now. That's how bad I am. Bah humbug. So I do have a video that I have filmed. I just haven't edited it yet. I'm having the hardest time remembering what it is. So that's fun. But in next week's vlog, you are not going to see any organizing because I'm not organizing. Like, I'm not doing it. I'm going to continue going through Amazon and deciding certain things that I need. But other than that, like, I'm done organizing for this exact moment because my bedroom is what I need to do next, and that's going to be the expensive portion of the organizing. Yeah. So I'm gonna go. I have been up since 4 o'clock this morning. I am mentally, physically, emotionally just exhausted. So I'm gonna go. We have a pretty busy week next week. I'm working at another manager's store to help them out, and then we got quality time with the husband. Yeah, got a good week ahead of us. Guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm sorry if I seem scatterbrained. I literally just found out that I'm not pregnant, so my mind's kind of everywhere right now. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. If you like this video and you want to see more vlogs and you want to see more organizing and all of that, make sure you like it. Comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys next week. Friday. I'll see you next Friday. I'll see you Friday. Bye, guys. All right, we have finished the pantry. Except the ramen, I gotta find somewhere to put that. But look how nice and organized. I want to get pantry liners because that's apparently stained. I have no idea what that is, but I want to get liners for the bottom. But look how beautiful and organized. Oh, I'm so proud. All right, so we just went and got coffee, taking Mac on a little walk. Come on. He doesn't want to listen. Mac. Taking Mac on a little walk. And I'm gonna go home. A lot of the organizers are getting here today, so we're gonna go organize. All right, so we just went and got coffee, taking Mac on a little walk. Come on. He doesn't want to listen. Mac. Taking Mac on a little walk. And I'm gonna go home. A lot of the organizers are getting here today, so we're gonna go organize. Okay, we have 3 bags of trash. I need to clean my wall because I just started throwing crap in there. Made a huge mess. But we are prepared. Okay, so ignore that mess. My mom needs to come pick up that box. All of this will be moved up. But yeah, we're ready to organize. Because I need to move. I can fit the cans and everything on this shelf right here once it gets here. So we have narrowed it. This is all of our cans. Hurricane ready much, guys? This is some of the stuff that needs to go into bins when it gets here. We got sauces. Got some more stuff that needs to go in bin. And this is what we were looking at for the rest of the pantry. I got more bin stuff. I need to definitely wipe these counters off. But yeah, can we just acknowledge the amount of ramen my husband buys? Update. We're gonna start, everything gets here in like a day or 2 to organize the pantry. So I'm gonna start cleaning out the pantry. And then my husband's gonna clean the top of my fridge. The top of my fridge. Yeah, let me show you what we're dealing with here, guys. I'm a hoarder. But I'm gonna start organizing everything. Everything that needs to stay in its own container, like the cans. First of all, I need to count all the cans because I got a can organizer that holds 36. And then we're gonna go through and get all this together and separate everything so I know what goes where.